Welcome to ChatSeed. This video will walk you through how to install our early access Chrome extension. To begin, visit revlytic.io/chatseed. Click Download for Chrome. You will be taken to our releases page in GitHub. Under the Assets section, click on the first zip file to download ChatSeed. Once you download the file, don't forget to extract it. Now we can install it. Click the extensions icon and then Manage Extensions. From here, click Developer Mode in the top right corner to enable it. Then click Load Unpacked. Find your Downloads folder and select the ChatSeed file you extracted by clicking on it once and click Select. Now you're installed. Navigate back to your ChatGPT window and refresh. You'll now see the ChatSeed icon in the bottom right-hand corner. This will be how you save messages. You can title them and tag them for easier retrieval. To access the ChatSeed interface, click on your extensions icon and pin ChatSeed to your toolbar. Now click the ChatSeed icon to manage your saved chats. This will work across any chat of yours within ChatGPT. Now be sure to watch our video on how to use ChatSeed.